Hi guys, this is Juni. Today is another English vlog. Because I had a party in our house. I bring my friend for celebrating 설날. So I'm gonna make some food like Korean traditional food. It's gonna be maybe 떡국 and the japchae. I'm not sure it's gonna be yummy, but I just want to celebrate very specially in Canada. For now, I'm doing my makeup, and then Connie and Joey on the way to 달았습니다 to get some plastic cup and plate for the party. By the way, today's weather is so nice. I've been heard the Canada is so cold, but this winter it's not that cold. I think Korea is colder than here, I think. I will go to downstairs and I will prepare some ingredient for the rice cake and japchae. I'll update later. Bye!
뭐야! 머리 바뀌었어! 그 나천재 알아? 나천재?
천재?
나천재. 나천재 몰라? 나천재 같아.
Korean webtoon character.
왠지 여긴 것 같아.
이거 아니야.
Uji, I'm taking my YouTube video.
너 지금?
Hi. Say hi.
오지 뭐 하다 왔어?
공부했대.
공구?
농구?
농구.
아, 농구.
I played basketball with new people
오.
and 난 죽을 뻔했어.
Why?
오지 오지거 해.
다른 남자들이었어.
Apron.
Oh, thanks.
왜?
놀리려 한 건 아닌데 머리 때문에 안 들어갔어.
I've like never had to use an apron for anything in my life.
Really?
잘하는데?
Why?
I'm not very good at cooking.
Oh, I see.
And when I cook, there's like really little chance of accidents because I'm so
Oh.
slow.
I see.
So,
너 영어 진짜 잘한다.
oh, thank you.
땡큐. 이 친구는 오지고요. 저보다 한 살 많은 친구고 취미가 싸움이고 특기도 싸움.
왜냐면 진짜 잘해요. 일단 병고 오빠가 져.
실제로 동현이랑 병원
싸우면
오빠가
져.
맞짱가다
너
졌어요.
남자야. You wanna fight me?
빨리?
너 오른손 쓰면 안 돼. 그 정도는 해야지.
그 알통 한번 이렇게 보여주면 안 돼, 알통?
아니 뭐 안 해줘도 보이긴 해 지금.
그러니까 하면 얼마나 보일지가 지금.
이것보다 세면 보여줘.
네.
로키 마운틴.
그러니까 멀리 안 가도 주변에 있네.
연습할 필요
뱀프
없어.
뭐하러 가냐? 혹시 저만이 있는
여기서 빠져. This is japchae. I don't like carrot. Doesn't like carrot. Me?
Yeah.
I don't hate them. I'm cool with them. Me and carrots, we're cool. You're adult. She's a child.
No, she's worse. You're worse.
Say hi, guys. Wow.
이따다키마스.
Okay, I will explain all of this food. This is the Korean pasta, like we call the japchae, and it's mixed with sweet potato noodle and meat and carrot and spinach and something like vegetables and the mixed thing. And this is Korean style kimchi pancake. Yeah, it's not that hot. Okay, it's a little dry. Yeah, you can try it. And then this is another pancake. It's made from the green onion with shrimp. Yeah. This is the 떡국. It's rice cake soup. We eat this food for New Year's Day.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you guys eat this food, you're gonna get 1 year old.
Kind of superstition. I don't know why.
Can I take picture?
Yeah.
너 빼고. 1, 2, 3. 오케이.
Happy New Year.
This is traditional.
Yeah, it's so traditional. Wow. Thank you. Yummy? It's good.
맛있어.
고마워. 선생님 고마워. Thank you.
고마워. 오케이. 토핑.
고마워.
아리가또.
고마워.
Yeah, any other way to say?
감사합니다. 감사합니다.
What's the difference?
고마워 is more friendly.
고마워. 아리가또. 감사합니다. 아리가또 고자이마스.
야. 아리가또 is 고마워. 아리가또 고자이마스 is 감사합니다.
I see, I see.
So just those things were tiresome. But I still love it. It's still great. I would totally go back. Live there for a couple of days. But
Cry.
I'm just gonna explain this. Okay, people, listen up. The explanation is starting.
Okay. I'm not really good at English. Just if you have a question, just ask her.
자, 우리는 지금부터 4개의 팀을 나눠줄 거예요.
Now we have a 4 team.
4명의 팀, 4명의 플레이어.
4 team, and then we have a 4 player. Like we have the 4 player. Yeah. 하나, 조이,
왜 3명씩 맞지?
맞아.
there you go, girl.
너 실패하면 진짜 큰일 난다?
개. 개.
유캔이. 냠냠.
Go Vanessa, go. Go.
와 유캔이.
Wait, hold on.
What happened to you?
Are we still here?
No, we're not.
You
What the hell was that?
Why did you eat
He was here, and then he ate it, and then he went there?
You guys fine.
So, oh wait, you're what?
Girl. Oh no.
백도.
It's correct.
I don't recommend.
No recommend. Oh, that's too bad. That's too bad.
Blue ocean. This was your
No. No. Oh, feel is good.
I just go this way.
먹어. One Happy New Year.
3, 2, 1.
Thank you for coming, guys. Thank you for coming. Nice to meet you.
Have a good night.
When I go to Tim Hortons, can I get? Okay. You remember me, okay?
Bye. Stay dry.
Feel a fraction of affection and come and sweep me off of my feet. If we could just solve all this confusion, if we could sort it